The benefits of splitting your audio means that you can play absolutely any song that you want without getting a DMCA strike. But also, you can then separate certain audios from your VODs. For example, when I am recording my podcast, my alerts and music isn't going to be playing when I watch that over or download it to edit for YouTube. So it's super beneficial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set that up. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is download this plugin that works for OBS. It is called Capture. Now, while OBS is closed, I'm going to want you to run the installation. This is going to allow you to create nested scenes for audio inside of OBS, which we're going to get to in just a moment. You've installed the program. Let's open up OBS. And the first thing I'm going to want you to do inside of here is go to your settings. And from your settings, we're going to go to audio and we are going to disable desktop audio, because instead we're going to be adding this desktop capture in a nested scene and then allow that to be saved to our VODs. So we're going to disable that, and then our mic auxiliary, we're going to allow it to choose your microphone. So I'm using the Shure MV7, so I'm just going to select that and click apply. All right, so the next thing that we need to do is go to your output and select Twitch VOD track. So tick that on. Now, what this audio track is what everybody is going to be hearing while you're live. So your music. What the Twitch VOD track is a separate audio track, which is going to be saved to your VODs when you're finished live. So go ahead and tick that. And we're going to get back to this when we go to our advanced settings. Just click apply. So now what we want to do is we want to create our first nested audio scenes. And these are going to be saved to Twitch VOD track number 1. So when we watch our videos over, or if you ended your stream, this is what you're going to hear. And the main thing is to obviously not include Spotify or Apple Music or whatever else you use to play your DMCA striking music. So we're going to click the plus icon over here and we're going to call this VOD audio, and we're going to click OK. So within over here, since we've already installed the program, when we click the plus icon, we should have application audio output capture. Now, if that's not showing up for you, maybe restart your program if you just installed it while OBS was open. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to call this VODs, and we're going to click OK. Now, from here, what we need to do is add in what is going to be playing. So for example, I'm going to add in like Steam, and I'm going to click add executable. I'm going to add in, I'm going to add an OBS browser page. So these are my alerts when they're playing, so that I can hear them over in VOD. Sometimes maybe you have text to speech and you want to create reels or TikToks with those, or YouTube shorts, then it's going to be captured in that. So let's go ahead and click OK. And let's say you now forgotten that you need to add something else. For example, you're going to need to add each game that you launch. So let's say you've never launched Valorant with this program, you're going to need to actually add this into your VOD. So you just double click on it and you can add a new executable. As you can see, I just opened up Discord, which means I can now add Discord to it. So if people are talking and we communicate in game, that voice is going to be saved into the Twitch VOD. Now, the next thing that we want to do is create the nested audio scenes of the things that are not going to be saved to our Twitch VOD. So the music that you want to listen to. So you can listen to any song and this will not be saved. So let's call this not VODs. Not VODs. And we're going to click add here into the application, and we're just going to say not VODs again over here. You can name these things absolutely anything. And for example, my main thing is that this is going to be Spotify. I'm going to add to executable. And as you can see, there is a new thing over here called not VODs. So now let's say this scene is our main intermission scene. This is where we chill. This is where we chat. Let's pretend my camera is over here. I'm here chatting to you guys. What you want to do is you just want to go to the plus icon over here, and you're going to want to create a scene or add your scene, and you're going to add your VODs and you're going to add your not VODs. Now you can see within here, you have both not VODs and VODs, and all you can simply do is Control C on both of these, or Command C if you're on Mac, and you can paste them into every scene that you have, and that's a quick way to do that. So now that we've added everything, what we want to do is we want to click over here and we want to go to our advanced audio properties, and remember we selected track number 2 is going to be our VOD track. So all you want to do is make sure the track